Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete personal data. Here we have a 2018 Toyota Rav4, but this procedure can apply to other models as long as your head unit looks the same as this. So what you want to do is press setup, go to general, then scroll down and go to delete personal data. Click on that. So what this is going to do, this is going to delete any personal information that you have put in stored in the head units. So this is a good thing to do if you're either renting this car or if you're selling it. You just press delete. Are you sure you want to delete all personal data? Press yes, and then it's going to take a few minutes. You want to make sure that you do not turn off the ignition while it's deleting the data, and just wait for that to complete. Once that's done, then all personal data is deleted from the head unit, and that's it. It's done. Thank you for watching.